This dumpling class with whole wheat flour is included along with vegan dumplings and gluten-free dumplings made in the traditional Chinese Cantonese way. It's a great dish for busy families who care about keeping a healthy, nutritious lifestyle and also on a spending budget and who like to keep mindfulness of their finances. All three of my kids can grab a handful, 5, 6, 8, even 10 frozen dumplings and cook straight from the freezer. 15 minutes and they're done. Piping hot dish of dumplings on the table, ready to eat. How fast is that? And that is why I always make a big batch when I make dumplings. One son who's vegan, one son who's the absolute opposite, carnivore, and the third son who likes both meat and vegetables. And somehow the vegan dumplings spiced up with my own homemade, which I will be teaching in my classes. In the classes I'll show you my favorite ways of folding the dumplings and my hacks and tricks in the kitchen. There are special ways that I like to fold my dumplings depending on the fillings. Often when I label the bags, the labels would fall off or the markers would fade away, so I never know what's in the dumplings. So I would make a few different shapes, and according to the shapes I will know instantly what is exactly in the dumplings, because as I say, I have a vegan son and a meat eating son, so it helps to know what's inside the dumplings when they are frozen. Having a bag of dumplings in the freezer is just a great peace of mind. Sometimes friends can pop over and I might not have anything in the fridge, or I just don't feel like starting to make a meal, then I will just take a whole bag even and just either make a huge wonton soup for everybody or some pot stickers, or just boil them up on water and put some dipping sauce on top. Simply having a bag of dumpling frozen in the freezer waiting for any kind of emergencies or just waiting to be used. Now here you can see me folding the dumplings in the two different shapes. When you learn how to make your own dumpling wrappers fresh from scratch, there's just no comparison, and there's no need for water because the dough will do exactly what you will tell it. Here are two different shapes that I like to use to indicate what kind of fillings that are inside. All homemade, whole wheat flour. Nutritious, no sugar, no dairy, and no white flour. Perfect. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and if you would like to have more details about the online workshops, then check out in the description box the online link. That will take you straight to the registration page and will give you the up and coming new workshops.